Guys, as commercial photographers, we need to change with this ever evolving industry, right? So, here I'm talking about the social media and especially Instagram. Even like until a few years back, I used to look at Instagram as a place for content creators or, amateur photographers, but not a place for the professionals. But I was wrong. So Instagram and social platforms have become really important for brands. Like almost every brief that I receive for photo shoots, these briefs are more and more focused on digital platforms, on social platforms. And in fact, recently I was in touch with a very big ad agency for a brand that is present globally. And during the shoot, I got to know that the brand has a special team of people who just specialize in making reels on their phones, okay, which the brand uses on their social platforms. So like creating reel has also become a profession for advertising campaigns, like, so if you just have a phone, you can start doing that. So, it's like that. I mean, like a lot of things are changing, and even the briefs that we receive are changing in the way that the brands right now need more and more organic content. Like, I mean, the photos should look real, produced but not yet produced, and very organic, very realistic photos. And of course, the number has increased for everything, like more photos, more of videos, more animations, more of everything, right? So with this changing times, we also need to change the way we work, so do the required changes to fit into this new way of working. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.